This is not just an old car sitting in a junkyard. This is a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. Once, it represented speed, innovation, and prestige. A machine that defined an era, a car people dreamed of owning. Today, it stands forgotten. Rust spreads across its body like scars. The silver paint, once flawless, is dull and lifeless. Chrome that once reflected admiration now reflects decay. Dust settles into every curve, every seam, every memory. The gull-wing doors, designed to rise proudly toward the sky, now remain closed, heavy with neglect. To most people, this is scrap, something broken, something beyond saving. But value does not disappear with time. It only gets buried. One man steps forward. No cameras chasing him. No crowd watching. Just silence and effort. The engine doesn't respond. The wheels resist movement. The car feels heavy, almost unwilling to move. Still, he pushes. Each step forward demands strength. Each inch gained feels earned. Dust lifts from the ground as the tires slowly roll. This moment is not about machinery, it's about belief. Because restoring something legendary always begins when logic says it's pointless. The work starts. Bolts that haven't moved in decades finally loosen. Rust flakes fall to the floor. Old layers are stripped away carefully, patiently. Nothing is rushed, nothing is forced. Every component is examined, every surface respected. This is not replacement, this is revival. Wire brushes scrape away years of corrosion. Sandpaper smooths scars left by time. Metal slowly reappears beneath the damage. Each sound is quiet, intentional, precise. This is the sound of restoration. The engine is opened. The heart of the gullwing is exposed. Inside, there are marks of age, oil stains, wear patterns shaped by decades of motion. These are not flaws, they are history. Piece by piece, the engine is cleaned, not erased, but honored. Fresh oil flows through passages that have waited years. Metal parts move freely again. The heart is ready. Then comes transformation. Primer settled evenly across the body. Paint follows, layer by layer. Silver returns. Not just color, but identity. Reflections flow smoothly over curves once damaged by rust. Light dances where decay once lived. The car begins to recognize itself again. Inside, the restoration continues. Leather seats are carefully lowered into place. Soft, perfectly stitched, rich with craftsmanship. The steering wheel is centered, aligned, balanced. Every detail matters, because details are what separate repair from restoration. Then, silence. The key turns. The engine starts. Not violently, not aggressively. Smooth, controlled, alive. A gentle idle fills the space. A quiet confirmation that the gullwing has returned. This car doesn't shout. It doesn't need to. It speaks with confidence. Now it stands complete. Clean, balanced, restored. Not because it was easy, not because it was fast, but because someone believed it deserved another life. And maybe that's the real story. Because anything truly valuable, a machine, a dream, a legacy, is never truly lost as long as someone is willing to push.